Can't beat it. A lovely walk in the sea every morning along the coast before breakfast. Absolutely lovely. Can't beat it. Fresh air, fresh sea air. Ah, you can't buy this. Just come into a bend here. This might be a bit too dangerous for me to go around there. This is for the big boys. Fucking hell, look at this. Whoa. Bit risque. The big waves come in, get you by surprise, you can't get back. Guys, I'm in a real dangerous bit here. A little bit of paradise. Shit. You know what? If you get stuck here, got my own little alcove here. And the only thing is I don't want to get stuck here. You've got to be very careful you don't get tide comes in, then you get stuck here tonight. As you can see, look. Shit's coming in already. One of them big waves comes in now. I'm snooping. Can't get back. Fucking hell. Careful, guys. Stayed running too long. I left my Ralph Lauren around there. Didn't take a risk, £120.
Do you want to go to the seaside?